Hey, good morning, Rockstars. What's up? It's your coach BORINO on this Wednesday, chilly Wednesday morning. I just finished my yoga class. And I want to chat with you about this one word that I kept thinking about over the last few days, and that word is momentum. You know, I've gained some weight, I got fat, and I got lazy lately. To the point where both my darling Hannah and I agree that it's time to do something. Not just because I want to look good for you guys, you know, look sexy on the videos, but also because I have 2 kids and a beautiful wife and I want to stick around. I want to stay healthy and I want to have a good life. So I hired a personal coach. I'll tell you more about it on another video. That's a great story too, why you should have a coach and why I'd love to apply for the job. But today I was thinking about the word momentum. See, when I got up this morning, it was about 5:20, cold, and we got a little bit of a snow, kind of a slush. It's just a nasty weather and perfect reason to stay home. But because I've been exercising over the last, about 2 weeks now, I built momentum. I have a momentum going now, and it is a lot easier to maintain, a lot harder to break, because now I have an energy that's propelling me forward. It's like that first law of physics. Body in motion tends to stay in motion. It was the first workout, the first one, that was the most challenging and the most difficult. Now, it's a little easier. It's never going to be easy. Just like real estate. Fuck that. It's never going to be easy. It will always be a challenge. But what I encourage you to do is build up your own momentum. That means start taking these even little, small baby steps towards your goal, towards something that will get you better, that will get you more leads, get you more appointments, more listings, more clients, and most importantly, more money. What can you do right now to start building this momentum and then continue doing it every single day? It's the consistency, the daily focus on 1, 2, maybe 3 things. What I call the most profitable, most productive things, MPT, most productive, profitable things that will get you closer to your goal. Focus on your momentum, and then once you have it built up, it's going to be a lot easier to maintain. It will not require as much discipline or focus as it did to get it going. So once you do get going, plan your days and stay with it. Stay focused, stay laser focused, keep your eye on the goal. What is the goal? Where am I going? How am I going to get there? And what can I do today to maintain this momentum? That's how you're going to get there. I hope this was helpful. Time to take a shower and get going. Today's Wednesday. I'm coaching a bunch of awesome agents Path. We have a live coaching. If you haven't joined Path, go check it out. It's goborino.com. Go to goborino.com. Do check it out. We'd love to be your coach and build your momentum so this year can be your best you ever had. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Let's go get them. Bye.